Hello friends, welcome to H2 Zone Solution and Productions. Today we are going to discuss how to create and submit simple PHP form application with the help of get and the post method. After this tutorial you can able to understand what is difference between these two methods get and post. But you should have WAMP server which is prerequisite for PHP programs. If you don't have any idea how to install WAMP server on your machine, you can watch our channel videos how to install WAMP on your Windows machines. Okay, move on to this current tutorial. For this tutorial, I am going to make login form just for testing. First of all, open WAMP server and click on www directory. And in this directory, we will make new folder name as login app. You can give any name which you like. Okay, click on login app folder and create new file name as index.php. Click on yes button. Okay, click this index.php to notepad++ or any editor which you like. For PHP coding you should select languages mode as PHP. Okay, now I am going to make two fields name as username and password. Input type is equal to tab. Copy this field and paste again and just change its name as password and change type as password and type password and these fields should be in form tag, form closing tag. Type your form name, login form, and action should be your next page name. Like I am going to make name as next page.php. You should give any name which you like. Okay, now give a method as get. I already told you that we will discuss get and post both methods, but first we are going to discuss get methods. Okay, now open this next page and type PHP tag starting and ending, and in this page just show information which user type in username field and password field, nothing else. Okay, if you are using get methods then type get and name as username which you type in previous page and copy this code, paste it again and concate with br which is using for next line and type password. This name should be same as this name. Okay, now test this application. Click on WAMP and localhost, and here you can see your project which is login_app. Click on it and you can see that both fields are showing. And why username and password is showing as default? Because I type placeholders as username and password. You can also type as enter username, enter password.
Now make new button and type as
Submit, and value is equal to login. Now just type login and Smith and click on login button. Okay, there is get keywords problem. Type it as capital get and get and save it again and run this page. Okay, we are using methods as get, so when we submit this form all field will show in your URL. In our case we are looking as username and password in our URL. If you don't like to show to your end user this information, because if you have a secret information, then I will recommend you that always use post methods. Okay, now we are using post methods and go back to index.php and refresh this page. Now this form is submit all data with the help of post methods. Okay, type John and type John123 just for testing and click login button, and you can see that URL hiding your form information. But why this information not printed on your page? Because now we are using post methods and we are getting our information with the help of get methods, so that's why it's throwing error. Just change get to post. If you are using post, then type post, otherwise using get. Okay, now refresh this page and you can see that information John and John123 on your page. Okay, one other thing I am going to explain you, that if you don't know methods is post or get in refer page is back page where information is receiving from, so you can use request keyword. Request keyword will tackle both post and get methods. We can also test in this page. You can see that request methods is working for post methods. We can also test it as get methods. You can see that now we are using get methods and it's printing with the help of request keyword. Okay, now your form logic is complete. Just decorate this form, or if you want any template from your internet, then download and replace with your logic. In my case I already have a template. I am going to use this. Just copy that and paste in login app project and copy index.html code in my current index.php page. Just cut your old code and replace with this form code and click Ctrl S as save command and refresh this page. Now you can see that new layout. I just type Smith and Sarah and click login button You can see that Smith and Sarah on next page. You can also decorate this page as your requirement. If you like to insert this information into database. And what is database? Database is a permanent store solution which will store your information in repository, and we can also use this repository anytime in future. We are going to discuss how to insert this information into database in our next tutorial. If you have any query, feel free to ask in comments. Thank you very much.